It's arrived, the Enza from Evoque. And I got the brightest color. It only comes in 3 colors. Look at it! It's different, and I like that. Very clean, little modern, but it rides really nice. It glides. It doesn't have resistance. It comes in a 80 amp hour and 100 amp hour. Right now, they're very well priced. I can tell you the prices will go up, $93.99 and $97.99 right now. But like I said, get them while you can. Evoque has done what Evoque does, which is make units that are unique and evolutionary, really. I have not seen this kind of style come through. They all kind of seem to look the same. Okay, so very cute little remote. See, again, most remotes look exactly the same. All the e-bike remotes look the same. Mobility, this is different. That's what Evoque does. Cute sounds too. Such cute sounds. Take a look at this. Whoa! Isn't that nice? That is a nice interior. Diamond stitch. Diamond stitch. So what I like about it is that it is a little more compact, like a Colo Connect, but it's got this feel of a Nexa. If you look in here, the whole footwell is open. I really like that. I like having a nice open footwell. Let's turn it on. So, neat sound. Elbow room test. Excellent. So it is a little bit bigger than the Connect Plus, but it's not as large as the Nexa. So it's a perfect add-on to our lineup of what we can offer our customers. It has a nice swivel seat. Oh, okay, so it's got a swivel seat, but I'm kind of hitting the other door. All right, that doesn't work. No, you have to open the other door to swivel this all the way. Not everything's perfect, and I'm going to tell you what I like and what I don't like. This is your first impression. So the swivel seat doesn't do much. PTC, from what we're learning, means heat. Thanks, China. So one level for your fan, and then when your fan's on, you turn on your AC, or you turn on your heat. So that's simple. Decent reverse noise. Yeah, well, this is first impression video, so let me take it for a little drive, and then we'll do a longer video on it. So we're going to put it into drive. E-brakes down. Oh, it has a safety. You have to hit the brake so that it engages into drive or reverse. Woo! It's very responsive. It glides really far. Like even it glides up the hill over there. And the suspension feels tighter. Yeah, I like it. The suspension feels tighter. Here's your first impression of the Evoque Enza. Yeah, I like it.